Welcome to episode 2, folks, of the E30 build series. Some exciting, some sad news, but we'll get to that soon. I'm going to include some clips that I filmed a couple months ago that didn't make it to episode 1 after this. But before we get there, sadly, this is going to be the last episode. I plan to sell it tomorrow. I have a guy coming that's super interested, but it just didn't really work out. I got some crazy plans this summer that I'm moving states, and this can't come along. But enjoy the video while we have it. But yeah, stay tuned for the next car that we build. It's a new day, another dollar. Started the body work today. Trying to grind that out while it's still warm out. But I'll take you around the car, show you what's happening. I did a lot of the back already, a bunch of primer, sanding, getting rid of all the rust, dents, body fill and everything. Take you around the car, show you what's happening, and then we'll continue from there. All of this has primer. It's primer right there. And this whole panel right here is done. Ready to wrap. And then started filling this right here. It's drying up. Quick disclaimer, this is my first time doing any type of body work, wrapping a car, getting rid of rust, dents, holes, anything. Bear with me as I'm learning too. Hopefully you will learn something from this, but we're gonna sand this down, see if I filled it correctly. To make all this easier, I'm just going to take off every single trim piece, all these trims, and then also going to do the back bumper. But I'm not going to show you, I'm just going to do a little one of these. Now I'm cleaning all of the door seals, getting all the dirt, all that stuff out of there, removing all the door trim as well. But getting this thing all cleaned up, primed up, painted up, so it can be, the wrap can lay on it and stick on it as it should. Just about to get started on priming the hood. And then after priming, sand it down, put some paint on it. The camera is about to die, but about to prime the hood up, all these little spots, prime it up, get it nice, and then on the paint, or if the wrap sticks to the primer, we'll do that. Well, boys and girls, get one last good look at the Beamer, because hopefully / sadly, this is gonna be my last time seeing her in the garage. Stay tuned for the next car build series. There will be another one in the future. I just don't know when, but it will be a good one, and we will actually keep it this time. So while I'm figuring out that, hope all of you have a good one.